What is up, YouTube? So today I'm going to do a quick review of this HJC I10 helmet. It's actually my wife's helmet. Haven't taken any of the stickers off. I did unbox it about a month or two ago. She hasn't worn it on a ride yet, but that's because I've been working on the Ninja 600 build and I don't have rear foot pegs yet. So that's a project I'm going to be working on soon. It does come with this helmet bag, which I think is awesome that a lot of helmets come with them now. It just allows you to kind of store them in there after you get back from a ride and clean them up, keeps the dust off of them and gives them a little bit of protection. So I really like that, you know, that manufacturers we're doing that now. So as you can see, this helmet has multiple air control ports. So if you slide the lever back, it allows airflow through. If you push it forward, it closes off the airflow. And same for this side as well. And then here in the center, if you slide it to the right, these ports here are open, so it allows airflow up and over. And then down here in the front, sliding down, you actually have 4 ports, 2 down here at the bottom and 2 above that. So it allows for a significant amount of airflow. Another cool feature that I think's pretty neat on this helmet is the visor. So you cannot push up on this visor and it just open up. You actually have to unlock it here. So you have to push and slide up. Some of that I think has to do with you know, the visor if it were to open for whatever reason. But another reason I think is to kind of help protect the visor itself from scratches. Whenever you have your gloves on, they're fairly abrasive. So if you just have to push here, it allows it to kind of protect the visor. So it's pretty neat. So additionally, this helmet allows for a comms unit. You can actually see it says Smart HJC, so that's one of the comm units that's compatible with. But there's other ones that will actually work as well, and it clips in here on the side of the helmet. And my brother also has this exact helmet, different size, and he runs a comm unit and he loves it. He said it's super comfortable and it works very well. So I will likely be buying this helmet as well for myself. Obviously a different size because the small is not going to fit my head. Currently I'm running the Scorpion AT950, which is a great helmet, but my plan is to do track days next year. And the HJC is Snell approved and this one is not, so I can't use it for the track. But I really do like this helmet. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it just to use it, you know, around town or, you know, when I'm not at the track, or if I'm just going to go ahead and sell it and just use one helmet and recoup some of the money I spent on it. But it is an awesome helmet. I really enjoy this helmet, and I have a review on my page as well. You have to check that video out on that helmet. So give you another quick shot. As you can see, it shows you it's Snell approved. And this is a small, so I can't try it on for you all because my head will not fit in there. My wife did try it on. It's a little bit snug, but she said it's comfortable. And like I said, my brother also runs this helmet and he really likes it. So let me know what you all think. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back with you and answer those comments. Let me know what other content you might want to see. I am continuing to work on the Ninja 600 build, and there's more parts coming in for it. I did order the Core Moto stainless steel brake lines, and as well as some multiple brake fluid. So once those come in and I get opportunity, I will be changing out those lines and flushing the system and doing a video on that as well. So thanks for watching.